Want to unlock a world of entertainment on your iPhone? Let's get Stremio rolling. First, create your Stremio account. Head over to web.stremio.com and sign up. Don't forget to install your favorite add-ons like Torrentio or Real Debris. Next, let's add Stremio to your home screen. Open Safari, go to web.stremio.com, tap the share button and select Add to Home Screen. Boom! You've got a quick access icon. Now, it's time to grab a video player. Download VLC or OutPlayer from the App Store. These will handle your playback needs. With that done, open the Stremio app from your home screen. Log in, navigate to Settings, and enable Use External Player. Choose your video player from the list. Finally, you're all set to stream. Browse your favorite content within Stremio, select it, and your chosen video player will take over. Enjoy the show. Ready, set, stream.